And welcome to the Smart Lab Architects lab tutorial. What would be a lab without a coffee machine? There's different ones, and this time I wanted to show you a classical Siebträgermaschine. That's what they call it in Germany. You get your coffee here, so you need the grinder, usually externally. Then you need a rubbish bin where you put your stuff. Sometimes they're also below here, so you can pull them out. And then the big coffee machine. The coffee machine needs power, water and sewage, because otherwise you're going to be refilling it 2-3 times a day, and somebody always has to clean up the mess. I mean, the coffee machine needs to be cleaned every night, but if you want to prevent a sewage pipe here that goes into this, you have to drill a hole, you have to fix this up there. When you plan a kitchen, you want to have this machine, plan this in from the beginning, drill a hole, fix it up to the sewer, and take care of the water system you're selecting. So you see here, there's a pipe going down here that gives you fresh water, and depending on the water quality that you have, you would want to have some filters maybe, otherwise your machine will quickly clog up and you keep cleaning it all the time. So it's a nice machine, makes nice coffee, it's a bit of work, right? You do something, but you also have to set it up properly. Thanks.